guys. I'm sorry I can't be there to celebrate the 10th year anniversary of Chamber. Well, nandito kasi ako sa Cebu kasi nataong magkaparehas ng schedule ng celebration ng Chamber at saka yung pagdadive namin. So, ayun, nakakaingit at wala ako dyan. Ay, miss ko na kayo lahat. Sana makabalik ulit ako sa Chamber. Sana. And, well, I hope you guys would enjoy the night. Take care. And sana humaba pa ang pagsasamahan ng Chamber kada. And happy anniversary. The 10th anniversary Chamber. And see you again when I get back to Manila. Bye.